Mr. Funny 232 here, and I'm gonna just show you. I got two M1 bullets, M1 Grand, two of them. One of them, if you look right here, it's kind of burnt purple around the middle. And the other one isn't really. The holes where the bullet comes out kind of messed up. Not a perfect circle. So that's about it. I got these last year at a parade. They were firing these veterans, and at the end I just ran and picked up two. I actually got three, but I gave one to my brother because I'm a nice person. I got another one. This isn't a shell, this is actual bullet. It's made into a keychain. I forgot what kind of pistol it is, but it's a pistol. There's no gunpowder inside of it, and it can't be used because it probably won't fit because of this. So I'm not a dangerous person. This is just a keychain thing. I gotta make it into a necklace. I gotta find a chain for that hole. Got this a few years ago from my grandpa. He still owned a pistol, and he gave me one of the bullets, and he like blowtorched like a hook on it, and that's pretty much it. So comment, rate, and subscribe. So comment, rate, and subscribe. View my channel. I got a lot of good videos and stuff of many different varieties or something like that. I don't know how to say it. I'm only two. Mr. Funny 232 is out. View my channel. And leave comments. Let me know what you think of my channel. Send me personal messages. What I can work on. Because I'm kind of new to YouTube. Leave comments below what you think of my videos. So that's about it. So again, comment, rate, and subscribe. Click that magic button right up there. Click that magic button. That will make me happy. So if I get 15 subscribers, I'll make a video of me doing a silly dance. So I just want you to subscribe if you want to see a silly dance. Comment, rate, and subscribe for the 5th time.